Welcome my top 10 people I would trust with my last slice of pizza. Please remember this is not financial advice. Bitcoin closed in the green yesterday, and what makes that move interesting is that it happened while the US dollar was pushing higher. It looks like the usual strong inverse correlation between Bitcoin and the dollar is breaking down for now. If you look at the correlation indicator on the chart, it's trending towards zero right now. After fighting hard against the 50-month EMA and the weekly resistance level for the past few days, Bitcoin finally broke out above both of them today. I believe we are now heading straight toward that recent weekly swing high, which is June's lower high, as price continues to search for liquidity. There's a large amount of liquidity sitting directly above that. If we take out June's lower high, there won't be much liquidity left after that. On the flip side, there's a lot of liquidity waiting on the downside all the way down to the 57k region. Looking at the bigger picture, this entire move from the recent bottom has been quite impressive. If Bitcoin successfully takes out that weekly high, we're looking at roughly a 16% gain in just 1 month. Another important factor is seasonality. July has often been one of the strongest months for Bitcoin. That means this short-term rally we are seeing doesn't necessarily invalidate the broader bull cycle that's still in play. However, I do want to point out that this setup has a familiar rhyme with the previous midterm cycle. Bitcoin rallied into July, tagged similar resistance in August, swept the liquidity above, and then eventually rolled over. History doesn't repeat exactly, but this pattern is definitely worth keeping a close eye on. And that's why I posted on X. No buy signal yet from Bitcoin's on-chain risk composite, which combines several on-chain metrics into a single risk score from 0 to 1. The short-term holder, long-term holder profit to volatility ratio has historically marked the cycle bottoms. According to this metric, we still have some time, and VRV still hasn't entered the red zone, signaling capitulation risk. So what do you think? Has Bitcoin truly bottomed? Or is the real capitulation still ahead? Let me know in the comments. Have a nice day. Bye!